In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the host cache in Google Chrome, also known as the DNS cache, using Chrome's internal settings. Sometimes, when websites don't load properly, show old content, or refuse to connect even though your internet is working, the issue can be related to DNS. DNS is like the phone book of the internet. It turns website names into the IP addresses your browser needs to reach them. Chrome keeps a local DNS cache to speed things up, but over time, that cache can become outdated or corrupted. Clearing the host cache forces Chrome to forget those saved entries and look them up again, which often fixes strange loading issues. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This process is the same on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even Chrome OS, as long as you're using a reasonably up-to-date version of Chrome. Next, look at the address bar at the top of the browser. Instead of going to a regular website, you're going to open one of Chrome's internal tools. Click in the address bar, delete anything that's there, and type in Chrome /netinternals/DNS. Then press Enter on your keyboard. This will open Chrome's Network Internals page, focused specifically on DNS. The layout might look a bit technical, but don't worry, you only need to use one control here. On this page, you'll see information about the current DNS state in Chrome, such as a list of host names that are currently cached. Beneath that, or near the top depending on your version, you should see a button labeled Clear Host Cache. Before you click it, make sure you don't have any important downloads in progress. Clearing the DNS cache won't interrupt downloads, but if you end up refreshing pages afterward, you don't want to accidentally close anything important. Now go ahead and click the Clear Host Cache button. Chrome won't show a big confirmation message, but what it does in the background is wipe out the stored DNS entries it has been using. You can click the button a couple of times if you want to be sure, but once is usually enough. After you've cleared the host cache, close any tabs that were giving you trouble and open them again, or simply refresh the page. In some stubborn cases, it can also help to completely close Chrome and reopen it, so that everything starts fresh. That's all you need to do. By clearing the host cache through Chrome's Net Internals page, you give the browser a clean slate for DNS lookups, which can resolve many weird connection and loading problems without changing anything else on your system.